Hey everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make this beautiful but simple Afghan square. It's made with the tulip stitch, which is a fun and easy stitch. If this is the first time you're watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button. This way you will receive notifications when I upload new free crochet patterns. For this square I've used Lion brand wool ease and crochet hook size 6mm. You can find a free written pattern on my website. I will put the link in the description below. Start with a magic circle or chain 4 and slip stitch to the first chain to form a ring. In round 1 we will chain 5, which counts as your first double crochet stitch and 2 chains. And work the following 3 times. 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 2. Then work 1 double crochet stitch, chain 1, slip stitch in the 3rd chain, and slip stitch into the corner. In round 2 we will immediately start with a puff stitch. So pull up your loop a little bit, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up another loop, and yarn over, pull up another loop. Now yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook. Chain 1 to secure the puff stitch. Then chain 2 and work another puff stitch into the corner. Chain 1 and repeat the following till the end. 1 puff stitch in the next chain space, and chain 1. In the next corner you will work 1 puff stitch, chain 2, 1 puff stitch. After the corner you will repeat this 3 more times on all sides of the square. End with a slip stitch in the first puff stitch and slip stitch into the corner. In round 3 we will chain 5 and work 2 double crochet stitches into the corner. Work 1 double crochet stitch in the next puff stitch and repeat the following to the corner. 2 double crochet stitches in the next chain space and 1 double crochet stitch in the next puff stitch. In the corner we will work 2 double crochet stitches, chain 2, 2 double crochet stitches. Repeat 3 more times on each side of the square, but replace the last corner with a double crochet stitch in the corner right before the chain 5. Slip stitch in the third chain and slip stitch into the corner. In round 4 we will chain 5 and work 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet into the corner. Skip the next 2 stitches and work 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this across to the next corner. Skip the last 2 stitches and work the following in the corner. 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. Repeat this 3 more times on each side of the square, but replace the last corner with a double crochet and chain 1 into the corner before the beginning chain 5. Slip stitch in the third chain and slip stitch into the corner. From now on it's all repeat. In round 5 we will repeat round 2. In round 6 we will repeat round 3. In round 7 we will repeat round 4. And in round 8 we will repeat round 2. You can make your square bigger by simply repeating round 3, 4 and 2 as many times as you want. I highly recommend blocking your square to get that perfect shape. And that's it. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you're going to make this square. Hope to see you next time. Bye!